Okay, now you know it's your boy AVALANCHI on the beat now.
Welcome to a brand new video, guys. Welcome. Yeah, lately I've never video, I've not anything video. I haven't been making videos lately. That is because I don't know. That's because I've been busy. I don't have any gadgets making me. Anyways, today's video I don't know what I'm going to be doing today's video. I just picked up this camera and just started videoing like this. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing today's video. So it's gonna be, you know. So now, guys, but I posted like one or two animated videos on my channel. So let's start with that. I'm gonna show you guys how to animate videos like that. So in case you guys saw that video and you just wanna like say, wow, let me create a video like this. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that, and let's go into my phone screen. So guys, this app is called Flipper Clip. I'm sure most of you guys have heard of it before, but see, allow Flipper Clip to access your photo, media, files, and device. Allow. So the app is called Flipper Clip. is a cool app. It's used for making videos like animated videos. So what you just do, click this plus button. You have to name your animation. So we're gonna call it test for uh Avalanchi with an I. Then put done. Then I'm going to select our background. You have so many background, like so many, a lot of background. You want extra? Wow, you have a lot of background, a lot. And the best part, you just click this stuff here. You can pick your background from your gallery. So I'll just go to my gallery. I'm not using any background from my gallery though. I'm just showing you guys how it is. So here, this the background. So many background. You can pick from your gallery too. But you're not using from my gallery, or using from their gallery. So now we'll just go here. Let us pick this. I like white background, so let's go to something white. So make it. Let's use this. So here is your how fast your character will be moving. If you use this 13, you see how fast it increase. See. So depending. So you can use as many. If you the higher you go, the slower your character move. Why the lower the lower your number, the higher your character move. But no, vice versa. The lower your number, the lower your character move, and the higher your number, the higher character move. But the best one is this 12, just normal. So just click here and create project. So this is how your whole screen is gonna look like. This is your pen. Click this. This is your pencil. This is your pen. Mainly when you're designing, you mainly use only this pencil and pen. So your the mouth of your pen, you can increase the thickness without thin, or you can increase it, boom, and you can increase it, boom. Whatever you want to use, it's up to you. And also, what again? Yeah. So when you want to start drawing, just use a pencil. Let me increase this to 13. So let's try something. Let's try drawing a ball that's bouncy. So draw a first ball. Okay, this to be draw a first. No, draw a first ball. Right? Yeah. Okay, now we draw a first ball here. Go to the next page. What you just simply do. This side is actually cool. Instead of you to draw your ball again, you can actually just come over here, click this round stuff, so you can now cut the ball and shift the ball like this. Wait, this one didn't move. Come here. Just sorry guys, I made a mistake. So when you come here, when you're in this first page, just click copy, then come to the second one, paste it there. and you don't want it to look as if it's not moving or something like that. See, it's not moving, no difference. So what you just do, come here and click this round stuff, then cut this out, then bring it back like this. Then you can see the onion skin of this one here. This way thing is. Then you can see it's moving. But to make it look more realistic, I prefer you just draw your ball. So you just come here, clean this ball here, carry your pen, draw another ball, shifting a little bit away from the old one, like this, like that. See, then you copy, open more pages, come here, paste this one, get your pen, clean that out, come here again, draw your ball. Then you have to copy this recent one, paste it, clean your ball again, same thing. And so now guys, you can see I'm done with this whole stuff. So when the video plays, it's gonna bounce like this. So now let's try and make the video to play. Let me straighten this up. Okay, now let's play the video, and boom, you see, as simple as that. Just keep drawing, keep drawing like that, drawing, and easy as that. So yep, that's how we're doing. I'm gonna make this video very, very short because, you know, as I said, I don't have any video ideas. I didn't plan the video, so yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching the video and see you next time. Peace out.
Subscribe to AVALANCHI.
Watch.